Hello everyone. If you want to learn speak English, you need to practice. But our have a lot of problem. We are practice together our native language and English. Actually, it's not like that. You are learning speaking English, okay? You just practice only speaking, not try to translate. You already know your mother tongue. Why you try to learn another time? If you practice together, it will be understandable. But when you try to speak, you will talk. But first time you need to think in native language, then you need to translate. So actually, this is the very boring method. So what you will? You first remove your fear and try to speak every day without translation. How? You don't English, how you will be speak? So you have a question this. But when you listen English speech, that's time you need to speak. What you hear, just repeat. Repeat is the simple method to learn speaking English very quickly. So listen. If you don't understand every word, every sentence, it doesn't matter. Just practice, 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 practice. What you hear, you repeat same. First of all time you don't repeat perfectly, but you try every day. Try. If you try, slowly you will be your gone will you translate method. So practice that's why. And another practice, when you see some things, try to say in English. Okay, when you see some things like any nature, any view, or whatever you see, just say in English. Don't try to translate. Like you see, this is, what is this? This is tree. Okay, just say tree. Don't try to translate. See, this is the beautiful tree. Look like it's a very amazing tree. So see, it's a so beautiful. And see, this is the sky. Today sky is a cloudy. Okay, just see and try explore around yourself. And you see, this is a crops and this name is a coriander. You see, this is a coriander tree, and you see, this tree have birds in the tree is singing a song. So see, you just see and try to say in English. Don't try to say translate. Like this is the birds. Just say bird, not say it's a another things. Okay, and see this. This is a bottle goat. You see, this is the bottle goat, very small. You see, this is the very small bottle goat. So like that, you need to practice that way. If you can practice that way, you will get a fluency very quickly. And please surround yourself. First, try to know name, English name, everything. Try to find this name first of all, and after when you see, just say in English. Please practice that way. And if you practice that way, you will remove your translate method. I think so only 1 or 2 months. Just practice. It's first of all very hard, but if you practice every day, you will get your fluency very quickly, and it will be remove your translate method. Translate method is a very boring. It will be understandable, but when you go to speak English, you don't speak for very fast. You need to think in your native language, then you need to speak. So please, you practice that way.